Okay guys, so I wanted to show you this little bath. So this is for the like larger dolls. I do believe you can fit like the American Me dolls in here or like the Our Generation ones. But yeah, so this is basically just a little bath, and then this is what it comes with. So it's super cute. You have like this little top right here that you can place. And surprisingly, my daughter has like the little items. Oh, actually, you know what? She did have a lot more. So it does come with a lot of little items for the bath, like little bottles and things like that. But you have your little soap and then this. And yeah, so like I mentioned, it does come with a lot more. But I don't know, my daughter has it like all over the place. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. And then the really cool thing about it as well too is that if you do that, turn it, it does have the little sound effects. Then you just go ahead and then turn that off. And then it has like this little pull right here, so you can like spray. But yeah, so it does go out pretty far as well too, as you can see. But yeah, it is a lot of fun. This is what the bathtub looks like on the side, and then like that. But yeah, I really think that the cool part about it is that it turns on. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.